In this short video, we will see how to call installed contracts by name. Remember that we can reference a contract using a key for the contract name. When you write the contract, make sure you use the PutKey function to add the contract hash under the contract's named keys. This key will enable you to reference a contract using putDeploy. In the counter code, the contract hash was stored under the CounterNamedKey. Now let's call the entry point counter_inc by specifying the CounterNamedKey. The arguments we are interested in are session name, which is the name of the stored contract to be called as the session, and session entry point, which is the name of the method that will be used when calling the session contract. The next video will show you how to call a contract using session code or contract code compiled to WASM.